In this video, let's continue on with our discussion of NAPALM's commit plus confirm feature. And let's focus on an example where we do a commit confirm, and then we immediately want to cancel that commit confirm using rollback. So let's look at this. I have some example code right here. So the code is very similar to what I showed you in the earlier example. So once again, we're using an Arista EOS device. We establish a NAPALM connection to that device. And then here, I'm going to load a candidate configuration. And first of all, let's make sure that I have eliminated the item we're changing in the config. So we do not have that. We do not have this logging buffer command. So we're going to load this full configuration. We're going to change something about how the logging is configured. We're then going to view the differences in the file. Then we're going to do our commit config, and we're going to revert in 180 seconds. And then here we'll see that we have a pending commit confirm. And then at this point is our one change. At this point is where we are immediately going to cancel the pending commit confirm using the NAPALM rollback method. So when we execute rollback, that restores our configuration to the previous state and cancels the pending commit confirm. And then we basically verify we have no more pending commit, and we close our NAPALM connection. So let's go ahead and execute that and look at that behavior. Okay, so loading our new configuration, we're going to look at our diff. We can see in our diff that we are making a few changes. We're going to add this logging buffer, and we're actually removing an NTP server. We're then going to go ahead and commit that config with a 180 second commit confirm timer. We're going to see that we have a pending commit confirm. So that comes back true. Now we're going to cancel it at this point. And before I do that, let's look at the Arista device, and you can see if I go into config mode that there is a pending commit confirm. We'll go back here. We'll now immediately cancel that pending commit confirm. Okay, so that should be done at this point. We look at has pending commit. We see we don't have any. If we go back to the device and we go into config mode, now Arista is happy. It doesn't recognize any pending commit. And then we can just finish off that connection. Now, one other example I wanted to show you is the case where you basically commit the config using commit confirm, but you basically let it expire with the timer. So exact same code, except we get to here and we wait 185 seconds, i.e. longer than the revert in timer. So at this point, the device should have automatically rolled back the config. We should have no pending commit confirm, and we can check this using our has pending commit method. Go ahead and execute this, observe the behavior. Okay, we're staging our candidate config. We're going to see what the differences are. Once again, we see we're removing an NTP server. We are changing our logging buffer. We are now going to commit it with our revert in equals 180 seconds. We now should see that we have a pending commit. And now we're going to wait 3 minutes, and I will just pause the video until this expires. Okay, so our sleep time has expired. We are now over 180 seconds. If we now look at has pending commit, you can see that we have a false for that. So we have no pending commit confirm. If we go back to the device, you can see if we do go into config mode, there is no longer any pending commit confirm. So we can just let the revert in timer expire, and after that time has passed, then the device will automatically roll back the config to the previous state.